Shook.
Shook them. You've been out here contributing to play a role in giving back to the local community, helping the homeless, and our mission is to feed 1 million people. You understand? So thank you very much for all the support and all the love from everybody that's been on the journey with us. A good vibe.
All right, here it is. All right, now we have
Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision.
Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. Oh gosh, say when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go.
Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision. Ringo got the vision.
Ringo
When you're
Vision.
cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go.
Ringo Vision.
When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. Oh gosh, say when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how the thing go. Ringo Vision.
Yes, people, so a good vibes. That is it. Complete the mission today. You understand? Yes, everyone, so we're here once more again. They say that Croydon is one of the most dangerous areas in South London, yeah? But guess what? We're tackling the streets, inflicting togetherness in the community. What we're doing, we are put togetherness in the community.
Togetherness.
Because you come out here and you say, no, Ringo, I see what you do. You just want to come put in your energy.
Shook and big up yourself.
Yeah, so we have to big up the general as well, because he said, "Bro, just come out and just come show some support." So today we're cooking a vegetable soup.
Show them.
For the people them. So it's a pot of hot water, and then we've got like sweet potato, pumpkin. So you see the pumpkin and them things here now, because we washed them already. You can put them in the pot. Let them just go and boil from early. You understand, Fen? Yeah, let them boil up. Because this is, remember I said this had the colour and the flavour.
The base.
Yeah, the base. So just put in the pumpkin from early. And then we have say a garlic and a 1 onion. Flavour at the same time. So I go on. Yes, everyone, so we're on 24-hour kitchen. I'm out here with my team right now. Fen, Chukum, big up Waxy's there in the background as well. Dante, big up yourself. Chef Ricardo, big up yourself. You understand? All the way there, so. Ronnie, big up yourself. A good vibe. So what I'm doing here, I'm just putting some garlic into the pot so that we can just start flavouring the pot from early, everybody, yeah? A good vibes. Fen.
You see a red onion we are dealing
Yeah,
with.
we have to just, you see red onion? Yeah, strong onion. Yeah, red onion.
we're making what soup is it today? We're making Ringo.
You know, it says an eye tool thing, you know, because eye tool is vital.
Eye tool is vital.
5, 6, yeah. So oh, you
Look, this one here, yeah, this one here is like, you see your immune system. Hey, don't worry, this one's for your immune system. So,
You see that, Waps?
Waps.
Make sure you put their carrots in there.
Yeah,
It's true what he's saying.
Waps said, make sure you put bare carrots in there, you know. So man, make sure man got bare carrot.
Right.
Yeah.
Right, that's it.
And guess what again, yeah?
I'm watching from Joe. Looks banging. What Joe you in, brother?
Man's got
What Joe you in?
we got planting, right planting.
Right planting.
Yeah.
Set up a GoFundMe for a trailer park.
No, this is it. Everything's here. It's in your face. It's in your face. It's in your face. It's in your face. I don't know about that fund meter. It's all in your face. Like, look, we're out here. If you wanna come and give us a day, You're gonna bring some ingredients.
That's
yeah.
it. Facts.
If you wanna
He's
donate,
not lying.
You can donate, but it's in your face. It's in your
It's
face.
here, bro. It's here.
Yeah. And it's happening. It's happening. You see today, yeah, we have to cook with more vibes. Cause guess what I go on today?
I love it.
Today the weather's trying to beat us down.
Yes.
It's not. So we're at home here watching us on your sofas, in bed. We're gonna be out on a mission, and I think.
Alright, we're on a mission, bro. We're on the marathon. Ronnie, hurry up, son. Legends. Big legends.
Yeah. Chef Ricardo, a garlic, you know. Garlic same time.
But at the same time.
And let you, but look, let me show you something.
Ricardo in the building,
Let me show you
yeah.
something. Look,
Come on. We got everyone.
45 minutes,
Yes,
we're gonna be
Chef
ready.
Ricardo here.
How you mean? Yes, we got friends in those ones. We've got the media team, everyone out.
Sit down for a bit. We're gonna get some. Would you do something from the shop, water or anything? Yeah. So what we're putting into the pot right now is some red onions.
Woo.
See, because this is going in from early, we don't have to chop this up.
Does so.
Yeah, we just cut them up like so.
It will just soak in, isn't it, Rings?
boil out.
Boil out, that's it. It will
Yeah,
boil
man.
out.
We're just adding some things in the pot name. Seasoning.
Aye.
Fresh seasoning. You understand? Some fresh seasoning are going right now. Yard style. Garlic. Enough garlic. Just bust them in half and drop them in. Cause they're just gonna boil out and create flavor as well. But remember, I said this one here is an immune system. We are built up fen.
Should the weather cool down now
Yeah.
as well, you know.
Alright, so
Smell nice.
yeah, right time now. Cause guess what? Coming out them play around with the weather for carnival now. Always kind of get glitchy. Nah man, them can't cancel that so easy.
Think they want to make them what million, billion lose them? You're mad. They don't even care about the lives.
Cho.
Sure, another thing.
Them are over small man.
Then they never boil out. They just boil. And they can't really show some really.
So what I'm doing now, Penny, is just adding some chow into the pot. Yeah, just chopping up the chow, just basically creating a nice array of flavors, different chops. These are like seasoning, different flavors entwining together to just give us a nice overall flavor that we're looking for today. You understand?
Yeah, man.
To bring out the vegetable, to bring out the ital vibes. What we're doing now, we wash the carrot thoroughly, so we're able to just put the carrot in the skin. Cause enough people say, Ringo, just certain things, you know, the root vegetable there, most of them can just wash in the skin, you know, and just dash in the pot. So, yeah, man, all the yam can cook in our skin instead way too, you know. Yeah, so good vibes.
Good vibes.
See you later, yeah?
See you later.
Bless.
Oh, yes, watch it.
Good vibes.
Big up the little kids there.
Come on. They're the future. The youth is the future.
Yeah, man,
They're the next generation. You know what I mean? They matter the most. So we have some green banana there as well.
Want some of them from mash up.
Chuck them up. I peel off some corn. Break them up piece smaller this time though.
I smell them already.
Can you smell him already?
Good.
Good vibes.
So what's that? Our wash basin there, so we're not making no mess on the street.
Yeah, I heard
You know what I
that.
mean? We're respecting the place.
Even though the cone's in the trash,
Still have to wash
they
it.
still give it a little rinse. Anyway.
That's it.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So Ringo, what we doing now? We're adding in the carrots now, yeah?
Some carrot.
Yeah.
Right here. Right here. Right now. Quick and fast.
What else you got for them?
All vegetables.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
Right,
with the heat
so-
gun now.
Yeah, all vegetables.
Ringo, you looking fly today as well, man.
A good vibe.
So we're adding some green banana inside now.
Yeah, and some iron.
Some high because we need some high you know. So when you keep the skin on,
Need some iron. I don't worry about that, man. It's not even that important.
they're asking the relevant questions.
It's not even that important, bro.
If you answer a stupid question, you get a stupid answer.
Got the Charlie from your back garden
You got it from your garden.
with my hook.
You took it out of your garden. Transferable skills.
Alright, so we just have to put enough scallion in the pot enough then.
Enough scallion we are
Enough
putting now.
scallion in the pot. Alright, we'll put some green peas to this, alright? Make some peas warm, boil. Yes, everybody, big up yourself. So come in, Wax, yeah? Let me show you what I've gone. So we're here, we're on the high street in Croydon, you understand, people, yeah? So today's mission here is to go out and give back to the local community, mainly help those that are needy, especially the homeless, those that are sleeping rough, you understand, people, yeah? We've been out for 10 weeks, yeah, and we've completed the 10-week mission. Now we're not even calculating the days or weeks, we're just going all the way up until Christmas marathon. As you can hear in the background, somebody screamed out marathon. So we're doing a marathon, people, yeah, all the way up until Christmas. Check out the high street. You understand? Yeah. Enough people out on the high street. You understand? We're out here giving back to the local community. We're in Croydon. They say that Croydon is one of the worst areas in South London.
Good vibes, good vibes.
But we're here. We're inflicting back the love. You understand? We've got a pot of vegetable soup. That's on fire right now. You understand? We've got some more ingredients that's there. We have people like Chef Ricardo in the building.
Live and direct.
You understand?
Don't know the thing already.
Wax, big up yourself. We have people like Fred
Oi,
here.
oi! Marathon continues. Big up Ringo. 10 weeks over the journey and we're still continuing. We're working into the winter. So yeah, man, big up everybody. One love.
That is it, people, yeah? Big up yourself. That is it, everybody. So look at that. Wow. So Chukumi can clean. Where you say you mix up, you know?
That gone in. We use hot water tight already, man. You can mix one more now. Yeah. Let me mix one. Nice. Hold on, let me do this first now, then mix one.
Alright. So we're gonna just put in some more ingredients in the pot, people, yeah, because as you can see that there's flavors in the pot right now, you understand? The pot's bubbling, a good vibes, big up yourself, everybody. Yeah, man, we reached that point, we look at Chef Ricardo.
Yeah.
And that's what we want there.
Right, that's
Right,
nice.
that's it. So we have to say two people in Chef Ricardo.
So basically, right now, Ringo Vision, the flavour is... I'm going to tell you something.
Yeah.
I'm going to say something to you right now.
Yeah.
The flavour,
Yeah.
the texture,
Yeah.
everything is just 100% natural, organic.
Yes.
That's what we are looking for. Here it is, people. You don't know the thing already. A Ringo Vision versus Chef Ricardo versus the team. We got the man over here himself. My life. Good vibes. You don't know. Feeling at the building, see you here. And everybody. You're looking good, Ringo Vision.
We give away food. Yeah?
Right, a good vibes. A good look at that. Good vibes. Yeah, man. Nice. What a boy.
So you see what I go on. So we're up on the high street right now, people, yeah, and the pot of iTools soup here is cooking up. Still got my plastic gloves on because you don't know, say hygiene is very important, you understand, people, yeah? Those of you that have been on the journey, yeah, big up yourself. Those of you that have just joined, welcome, you understand? Our good vibes, we're outside right now, yeah, and it's been absolutely amazing. You guys are on the marathon with us. Yeah, man. Just run through the channel and just check out all the past videos if you've just come through, you understand? And just bring yourself up to date and you can see everything what's been going on over the last duration of the last few months now, you understand, people, yeah? Our aim is to feed 1 million people, yeah? we started here in Croydon, and we aim to venture out into different parts of London, to then branch out into different parts of the UK. You understand, people, yeah? And as we're going into the cold period here in the UK, where we're accepting things like clothing, toiletries, sleeping bags, so I'll be putting up an address where you guys can send things through, you understand, to make your contribution and give back to the local community and the homeless. So while we're out giving out food, we'll also be giving out other essential stuff that they need as well, people, yeah? One love to each and every one of you. Our good vibes. What me say? Our good vibes. Make we keep what? Knocking them out like Ali. That is it.
The artist,
Bubble
like I
up
said.
wicked, you know.
So what's actually happening now, everyone? Yeah, we're just mixing. Yes, everyone. So as you can see, we've got the all-purpose seasoning mix. It's on the market now. You can send me a DM. My email's on the channel as well, so you can get the all-purpose seasoning mix, everybody. Yeah. I'll send it out to you wherever you are. So yeah, man, put in your order. This also helps to support the channel and helps to contribute to what's actually going on right now in the marathon, cooking for the 1 million. You understand, people? Yeah. Giving back to the local community, feeding the homeless. So we just add some of the all-purpose seasoning. And that's the only powdered packet seasoning that we'll be using. You understand, people, yeah? Our good vibes.
The pumpkin.
This one and the pumpkin mix. You understand?
Our good.
Our good vibes. So the pumpkin now, yeah? You can see how the pumpkin is mashing up.
See the colour as well that it's creating.
Yeah.
Yeah, that create flavour as
And
well.
they create the flavour.
Colour and flavour. So in real life, the pumpkin mix where we use, the pumpkin, the mix comes from the pumpkin where them dry out and make it into a mix.
See.
Yeah. Not really the natural thing, which is the real young kid.
Say it again in the
Nothing a beat, though.
the young kin.
The natural thing, a real young kid, man.
Yeah.
What are you guys working here on the
He's
street?
cooking for the homeless in the local community.
God bless you.
God is blessing me so much, we have to give back.
Hey, how do you know him?
So we're still alive, that's why we know him.
So you know Jehovah.
Yeah, we're still alive.
You know
He's
the
blessed
Holy
us so much.
Toast.
Big up yourself,
You know the
people,
Holy
yeah?
Toast.
We get this from time to time, individuals that come out and they're intrigued with what's going on, you understand? We just have to show that overstanding, you
Facts.
understand? And appreciate them for just coming up as well
That's
and
right.
showing the gratitude of what we're doing on the high street, you understand?
Yes. Good vibes.
Don't vanish from your presence. Don't.
So we're out here with one of the members of the team today, which is Waps. How are you, Waps?
I'm all good, thank you, friends. Bless up, man. You know what? This has been a lovely journey still, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's been good, and you know, it's been uplifting and it's been refreshing as well, should I say. So,
Right.
thank you, everyone, and you know what I mean? Thank
Big
you,
up,
man.
Waps.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, man. Waps has been here every day. Every time we're out, Waps has been available. He's been helping. He's input, contributing, donating as well. So big him up, man.
Yeah, big up friends as well. Big
One
up,
love,
big
bro.
up Ringo, big up Chef Ricardo, big up
Come on.
Fishmonger over there.
Good
you know, big
vibes.
up-
Good vibes.
Irish friend, man, I'm dropping out the pot car. It's that cooking time now where we're going to be sharing out some food
All right.
in a very short
The people
time.
seem like they're hungry.
Yeah, man, people are forward anything.
Yeah, man. My forward through.
So friend, I just prepped the sweet potato, yeah. So I've taken some off the skin and some on the skin. Washed it thoroughly.
You've done well. Washed it and you soaked it as well.
Yeah.
We've got the cups in there. Alright,
Cut up the sweet potato in there now, cause yeah, everybody has to get a piece of sweet potato today.
I'm off a sample a piece.
Yeah, every man has to get a piece of sweet potato.
man.
Look at them, man. Yeah.
Every man, woman, and animal.
Yes. Everything that breathes, that want it.
Yeah, man. Are good vibes.
Man, big piece of young thing that's in the boil out yet. See there, just mash it out in the pot. Capture him quickly. Mash him up. So all these flavors now in the pot, it is combining, giving us our overall taste, texture that we're looking for today. Yeah man, the vegetable thing. You know, so some okra can start flash now.
Double one. Okay, perfect. Like I say, I don't want to stop you doing it, but you know, if you actually get my good lord,
Anyway,
that is a big top. I am from the council.
Yeah, he's from the council.
On a video me as well. Okay. And we have heard so much about you being around town, but never actually got to meet you. Yeah. Okay. So we'll be in touch. Matt. Yeah. So it won't be me. I don't work within the licensing or trading standards, whatever team that needs to come down. But they give you a call, and hopefully you can resolve it so that if you are allowed to, then you can do this happily. What we don't. No, absolutely. And I know there's other people like yourself that park up a van as well, do the same kind of thing. We just want to make sure that everything is okay. So we're not creating a problem by having everyone hanging around you as well. So you're doing a fine thing, but we just got to make sure that everything's right. Okay. You take care now.
Thank you.
That's like the first kind of like demon forward. But we are going to deal with him in the right appropriate way.
You don't know.
Not because he's sent by an oppressing energy. But we are accepting said way because nothing can't stop the movement.
Yeah.
So we have to go through the procedures. But his procedure is going to boil back down to us being doing our mission. You understand? Because a good vibe.
Yeah, we know if it's that out. We can fix it.
A demon, man. Make him go and talk, man. Maybe not him, the physical, no, but the demon in him. Yeah, in him. But it's alright. A good vibe.
A good look. It's a good look still.
We've just completed cooking right now. I was going to start sharing out the food to the homeless and then obviously the needy people that are here in Croydon. So our good vibes. We've got a queue here. Now, don't talk to no one, please. You lot can just get in a line, please, and we just start sharing out the food. Thank you.
Number 2 for the youth then. Yeah. Yeah. 1 second. Yeah. 1 second. Yeah. What you say? Good. Yeah.
For the kids, yeah.
Yeah.
You get next cup.
Falling out the backpack, just want to warn you. Oh yeah, it happens to me. Sometimes you come back and then everything is locked down. No, I mean
Alright, Chef Carter, you can do them.
Let me get one more, please.
Yeah.
Can I get one more?
Yeah, one. No, it's fine.
In their pattern, isn't it?
Oh, them.
Yeah. For the kids, isn't it?
Yes, everyone, Chef Ricardo, come and chat to you people then. So what we're doing now, we're just sharing out the soup, just coming back to the local community. Good vibes.
Thank you, brother. God bless you.
So good. So good.
Yeah, so that would be helpful. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Hello, do you want a soup as well?
Oh, yes, please. Yes, I have that.
Just queue up right here. Queue up right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You want fuck?
All right. Thank you. Yes.
You're welcome. $10 a day. This one's a $10 a day.
Tap up the things then. Let's bring the food up to today.
Sharing out the food right now, friend.
Okay.
Good vibe. Burn them up,
Roy, careful, careful.
How are you? You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
This is really good what you do.
Thank you, man.
I see some photos of you on Jordan FM.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you, lovely.
Don't they come in and just show up, right?
Thank you very much.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Ringo, what were you doing? What's this name?
So we're just sharing out some soup to the community right now.
I know, but I cried now the sun carried to her.
No weekends. Oh, that's the only one that.
Hello, officer, how are you today? Yeah. Can I just think real quick to the next inlet from underneath here? They're right about 5 hours.
Okay, you do that. No way.
Thank you, man. No worries. Thank you, man. Let's go.
We've got to find some people here.
Yeah, what's all the rubbish, guys?
No, that's food. That's the cook. Leave it. Leave that there, yeah? Yes. It's just on. You can take a picture of your phone if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who's the cook?
No, me, yeah.
Ringo Vision.
And Chef Ricardo.
Oh, I'm looking at myself. That's not good. Oh God, it smells delicious.
Yes, people. So what's
go home and
happening?
make some.
We just shared out a few cups of soup so far. So we're just gonna give away the rest of the soup to the homeless in the local community. Literally.
I applaud you. Well done. Well done.
No camera. Yeah, no camera.
You don't know.
Come on, man, like strawberry on your Ringo.
Fuck.
Ringo Vision, huh?
Ringo Vision.
What's your name?
A BBC there, you know.
And what's your name?
BBC.
want to know you have been see to my take it or no. The Dan man this, a big and this.
I don't know.
Going from Jamaica too. Jamaica?
Yes.
You Jamaica then?
Yes. You want to sit, brother? You want to sit?
Want a soup?
No, thank you. Thank you everybody, a good vibe. We're out here just giving back to the local community. Let me just do a taste test for the soup because I haven't tasted it yet. But that is it, you know, Chef Ricardo.
Yeah?
You can't go wrong with them flavor here. Just one taste and it'll kick everywhere in our body. Yeah, it coming like playground. When them food are going in your body, it coming like a playground. You know, say you're going to run from right. That is it. Understand? Come look in the pot. I'm trying to get this empty right now. The mission is to get the pot empty. We have to feed the people them.
Yeah, I do next one.
We have to feed the people them. Because we have nothing to line up so I can cook again. A good vibe. Look up yourself, bless. Big man, yo.
Alright. Good vibe.
I love that. We can see it now. Appreciate that.
Yeah, big up yourself, you don't know Bims, big up yourself. You understand? You bought some forks and some cups for me. Moans, you understand? Big up yourself, you don't know who you are, because you come and dropped me yesterday and let me buy up some ingredients and whatnot. So I have good vibes. Thank you guys because you guys supported me as well. Come out, you pay for some cups and some plates and some forks and whatnot to go towards the mission. So I have good vibes, everybody you see, everybody's playing their individual roles and their individual part. That's what we need, togetherness and support.
Yeah, good vibes.
I want to start.
Yeah, good vibes. Yeah, man. Community.
Community.
You understand? One of the first. One is fair.
My brother, you know.
Don't know the thing already. Because a lot of people don't know hard work do pays off, man. And Ringo At do a good work in the community.
Yeah.
And we have an award for Ringo At.
Yeah.
You understand?
Don't lie. Yeah.
I stop it.
We get the award for Ringo At and I hate this. You understand? So you just have to support Ringo At and I know say what I do. It is a hard work. Alright? So Ringo At, I hear one this now.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not sure because I have to tell the people them, you guys, thank you guys very much. You guys have been so supportive on the mission. We're on a marathon right now to do 10 weeks, to do up until Christmas.
Yeah.
I have to big up my team. Ricky Dancer, Fen, Waps, Dante, Ronnie, you understand? Chef Ricardo.
Shook
them. You've been out here contributing to play a role in giving back to the local community, helping the homeless, and our mission is to feed 1 million people. You understand? So thank you very much for all the support and all the love from everybody that's been on the journey with us. A good vibe.
Alright, here it is. Alright, now we have Fen, you know, say, you know what I mean, my support Ringo At and this is what them send. For the support. Alright, so we get an award for the hard work. So here's what I tell about for the community. A lot of people don't know what going on. But you see the hard work for the guys put in over the last couple of weeks in the community, I hate this.
Yeah.
You understand? So Fen, this is for you, man.
Fen, Fen. Well done, Fen. Well done, well done. Put it on, Fen.
That's for the hard work.
Yeah, well done, well done,
For the hard work, for the hard work, for the hard work.
Nah, man. You know what?
What I want to say as well,
Big up to Ringo, innit?
About 10 weeks.
You know what?
Yeah, 10 weeks. Let me have a little speech quickly. Just a 1 minute, yeah? Alright, boom. Ringo's my friend from primary school. Like literally, he's been my friend from primary. We've known each other
for so many years, yeah? And no matter what we've done, yeah. He's always been involved. We've been involved in each other's journeys. So he said to me, look, friend, I'm doing this project. And like, bro, he never put no pressure on me or nothing. And he said, look, help me, boom, boom, boom. And I've been here every day. When he's out to help him. And then also another thing what I rate Ringo, he gives everyone the opportunity to make it their platform as well. So he gives everyone flowers, he brings everyone together. So you know what? Big up Ringo, big up Chef Ricardo, thank you for this as well, bro. I appreciate you as well. You know what I mean? Like, big up Ricky Dancer. Like I met Ricky Dancer for you guys as well. Wax, Ronnie, Dante, get me? Man, big up the whole team, man.
Well done.
Well done,
man.
Thank you, man.
Done, bro. Much love. Good vibe, a good vibe. Stand beside Ringo, stand beside Ringo. Stand beside Ringo.
Come here, man. The hard work, man. Look at the hard work, you know. Hold on first. Let's take some picture. Man. You don't know the thing go already.
Quite a few people, we receive an award. For the work, for the tremendous work that we've been putting in. So we're going to hand out the rest of this food and then we're just going to have a celebration. They have to celebrate their award.
What that Jenna?
Man, Ringo At. Man, I go shape with the team. Cause Ringo a general. In him khaki suit and some little youth. We a tease them the truth. Cause them don't know Diamond Sacks, Wally and Clarks. Them are not foundation. Enough for them and they recruit. General, yeah, we love Ringo At for the people. It's a good look. Keep it up, my brother. Well, love is saying a peace and unity. I mean, take care of the people. Salute. I'll see you.
Come on, come big with it. Give it a nice one. Come on. Let's go now. Let's go. Good vibes. Good vibes. Yo, babe, come. You want a sweet? Come. Come land on your belly. Yeah, baby. Where you from?
From the end, fam.
Yeah, no, I want to see it.
From here,
Oh, what on? You telling me good, yeah? You telling me good? What you say, hey, what?
Outside. Cooler, man.
Outside. You say you did it, but you're the... Hey, pat me. Hey, listen.
Yeah. Back empty, back. Yes, people, so a good vibes. That is it. Complete the mission today. Next time, out with the team. Complete the mission.
Done. The fuck done. See, look, fuck them nearly finished as well.
Ben.
Hot empty.
Empty the answer.
Yeah, empty. Watch out. Look, empty now. Yeah. Complete. Yeah.
Chef Ricardo.
Watch out.
Thank you very much, everybody.
Big up, man. Thank you, man.
Yeah,
Big up.
That is it.
Big up, everyone, man. Next up, man. Wicked, man.
You gotta take off the gloves.
Yeah, man.
You ready to take them off now?
Alright, that is
Am I
it.
turn? Yes.
Am I
Yes.
turn?
Big up yourself, you know. Big up everyone. Big up everyone in the life. Thank you.
Good luck.
Yes, everybody got yourself. Ahoy! We complete the mission today, yeah? Alright, a good vibe. Everybody get up. Everybody get up.
That's it. Good vibe. Yeah, man. Good vibe.
Yeah, me don't know, I must say I represent for Ringo, the general. What's the name? The general do some good deeds and I love what I go on.
Yeah.
They show that. Me say pure and natural. That's why we are clean. And if I'm on the Ringo, I make Man, I go share for the team. Show man a general. In a way khaki. One time I seen him represent. You don't know Ringo. Cool about them team bingo.
That is it, people. Yeah, a good vibe. Look at cameo. Good vibe.